Welcome back to Python Basics. Let's continue with the lists and just save this new notebook page with Python list copy. Create a new list, just any list like um, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it has 4 members, and let's create a new list B and assign this B A. So what will happen in the memory that the list A is created 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is a copy of A. Copy means that it is copied by reference. B will be pointing at the same memory location where A is created. So let's confirm this logic. We are going to change through B. B1 is equal to 8. Now let's check B. B has 1834 instead of 1234. And let's check A. A has same. So we changed the list B, but it has changed the data member in list A as well. It shows that B and A are the same names for the same location. These are two different names. So the list A created in the memory, and the B and A are two names for that particular location. So as I changed the data value at index 1, it is changed in A and B both. But if I want to create a copy of list A, but I don't want to uh, copy like this, that if data in one list is changed, it is changed in the other one as well. So this was all copy by reference, because it is changing the value with in both of the lists. So this is copy by reference. So if I change any value in B, it will automatically change in A, and if I change any value in A, it will be automatically changed in B, because A and B are two different names for same memory location. But if we don't want to change it like this, we want to make a copy by value. So for this, so for copy by value functionality, that means we want to create two separate lists by copying one list into another. We need to use a function that is list, and we are going to pass it the list A. And now if we check C, it has the same data values as are in A. And now let's change some index value. I'm going to change the last value of the list to 10, but I'm going to change it in C, not in A. Now let us check C first. So it is changed in C. And let's check A. See, A remains unchanged. Let me do it with print, so can we can view both the outputs easily. So here you can see that print C gave me the updated list where the value has been changed for the index number 3, and A has no effect. So A value, the value at index number 3 in list A remains the same. So this is how you can create copy by value, or you can create lists with copy by reference, whatever is needed. In actual scenario in the memory, when you are using copy by reference, the new name is just a reference of the old name, means there are two or three different names for the same list. And when we use copy by value, it actually creates a copy of the list in some other memory, and the name and place is different, and you can manipulate them different in a different way. So that was the end of today's lesson. You can check out the exercises and you can do some practice on the given link. And if there is any question, you can post it and I will get back to you.